the rest of us defend.
There's really 6 of us, that's it?
And they did tell us specifically not to jump NASCAR, which is unfortunate because that is the quickest way to the house.
Otherwise, the next best way is going to go through.
Don't lean over like
You want to hold down this side?
Yeah.
Alright.
What's wrong with the striker?
Just dump ammo. I'm going to go with these guys.
Alright.
Go get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Pull that flag, guys, come on. Where's your contact at?
In the center building window.
Shit. All right. Whoa, okay. Get that flag now, go. It's on the other side of the door. Get that flag, man. Go. Go. Sorry, Joe. Got it? Behind that plywood. Heads up, doorway. He moved left. He's out of that room. He's headed to the mosque. Dude, that's the last flag point right there. Hey, pull that flag. No, we're black. Raise black. We are raising black, right? Okay. Oh! We got 2 out of the 3. We're good. We just got to hold what we got. There's one behind that plywood and one in the doorway. Changing mag. Tires, tires. I think I got him. Whoa. Whoa, still behind the plywood, still behind the plywood. Or the pallet. Hit! Good shot. Wow, great shot. Yeah. Huh?
You see me running there, just more. They're all just going to aim right at me.
Alright, I don't know if I need to necessarily move up though, dude.
We got both flags?
We got 2 out of the 3, yeah.
Let's just hang tight.
Yeah, we don't need to hang.
Oh. Okay.
I mean, if you want to keep pushing them to keep them out of our hair, that's fine. I'm not going to complain. Tower, tower! Tower! Yeah, watch the tower. Far down. only this thing had a trigger response to that one. He's behind the pallets. Hit! Good shot. Joe, come with me.
What color is black, right?
Yeah.
Yep, I raised that flag too.
I raised their side as one too. One time.
Hopefully they don't notice it.
And I got it again.
If they don't notice it, it's good. Hey, Joe, come with me. I know, but I need you on this side. Watch that tower.
Yeah.
I know I'm right.
Stay low. Get in that mosque. Shit, they got this flag? They got this. And they're in the mosque. Go. Heads up, coming out the door. They're right there. He's here. All right, go. Get that flag now. Yeah, go.
Someone shot random and I'm pretty sure they hit.
All right, shotgun guy. You ready? I got you. Pull lock. Can you get to that flag? Heads up, far back, hold up, hold up, hold up. Ready? Go. That's in? Right here. I think so. I think that's gonna. Whoa! Heads up. It's good. Yeah! All right, make sure it's right. Just make sure. All right, good. Changing mag. Fucking A. Far down, all the way in the back. Watch it, far down, far down. Hit! Oh, that hurt. I'll light you up though. They go around the other way. Hit! Watching here. Go! That was the only guy. That was the only guy. Go. Get in there, go. Get it. Damn, I was just to the left of you. Just to the left of you, man.